Growing up, I've never used highlighter, but with the rise of social media, I've seen so many creators use it. Highlighter is used to accentuate different parts of your face and bring dimension. Now, I'm not a makeup artist or even a cosmetic chemist, but I'm a person who loves to DIY as much as I can. In this video, I'll show you 4 ways that you can make highlighter without using any eyeshadow, and the last one uses one ingredient for those no makeup looks. You can make a powder highlighter with mica powder. Mica powder is a combination of mica and oxides for pigment. They come in so many different colors and you can find the shade you like. Mica is naturally shimmery, which makes it amazing to make a highlighter. This is my powder highlighter. I mixed these 2 colors of mica along with some arrowroot powder. The highlighter on top of the lips makes it more full. I'm making a liquid highlighter or a serum highlighter using jojoba oil and a bit of my powder highlighter blend. Jojoba oil is a great oil to use when making the product because it penetrates the skin really fast and it won't leave your skin oily. Jojoba oil is also suitable for many skin types. This is like skincare and makeup all together. I still have so much left. You only need a tiny dab for your face. I have an audition today and I'm makeup ready. Now I'm making a cream highlighter, which is essentially a lip balm recipe using wax, shea butter, and oil. I'll be adding mica powder and arrowroot powder, much like how I made the powder highlighter. The oil should cool down a bit before we add the powders because if you put it when it's hot, the powders are going to settle to the bottom. By mixing it this way, you'll have more of a uniform product. Mix it well so there's no powdery residue left. Here is the cream highlighter. In retrospect, I could have put it in a smaller container. It doesn't look nice like this, but it still does the same thing. And the texture is very luxurious. I love to dab my nose with it. This is going to last for a long time. The last way we're going to make highlighter is by using face oils. Any of these oils are really fast penetrating, so they're great for the skin without making it overly greasy, but still giving your skin a healthy glow. It's amazing for those no makeup looks. It's actually skincare and not makeup. This is my skin with Marula oil. It makes my skin glowy. Marula oil does wonders on aging skin. Here's a comparison. It's the oil highlighter. Powder highlighter, it's very faint. Serum highlighter, I think I put a bit too much. It's very potent. And the cream highlighter. Here are a few takeaways. Powder highlighter is great for people with oily skin or good for those summer months. Serum highlighter is a great fusion between makeup and skincare if you want to put makeup, but you also want the benefits of skincare. Cream highlighter is great for people with dry skin or in wintertime when your skin is really dry and it needs to lock in that moisture. And just using oil as a highlighter is a good alternative for those no makeup girlies. Let me know in the comments which highlighter you like best. I personally love the serum highlighter, but each of them has their own purpose, so I'll be using all of them. Cream highlighter is fun to bring on a road trip because it doesn't leak. Thanks so much for watching my video. I love sharing sustainable tips that I implement in my daily life. You can also find me on my other social media platforms. I link them all below. If you want to support me further, the oils that I shared in the video are from my skincare line, Alone at Earth. All products are fair trade and organic. Let me know what you want to see in another video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.